everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and I'm kicking off a new week of what I am wearing, my outfits of the day. So what am I up to today? So today I got up, went to the gym. After the gym, on my way home in the car, I check out my emails, and it turns out a viewer emailed me. So Barbara, thank you very much for emailing me. My Nordstrom haul just posted this morning, and she let me know the tan jacket that I really liked and I was planning on keeping and was already hanging in my closet, that I paid $98 for at Nordstrom.com, was now at Nordstrom Rack for $49.97. So that's nearly a $50 difference in this jacket. So I was returning the other jackets today at Nordstrom Rack, and in doing so, I brought that jacket back and asked for a price adjustment. Because it went from Nordstrom.com down to Nordstrom.rack, they couldn't give me a price adjustment, so I returned the jacket and reordered it from Nordstrom Rack. Now, when I reordered it, they did charge me shipping, so my price total came out to like under $60. But $60 is still a huge savings from $98. So thank you very much, Barbara, for alerting me. I appreciate it. And I'm really annoyed by it because it wasn't like I just, had the jacket for like a month or whatever. Literally, I just received the jacket Friday, filmed Saturday, and go there and find out on Sunday it's already at, the rack, and they never ever put it on sale at Nordstrom. So I'm kind of ticked about that. So I'm going to not speak to Nordstrom's for a while. They're on my naughty list right now. I'm mad at them. Not saying I'm permanently breaking up, but I'm a little bit mad at them right now. That said, when I was also at Nordstrom Rack, I purchased a couple things for my husband, and I did look over on the earrings, and I did get these Argento Vivo silver earrings. They're sterling silver, and I thought these were kind of cute, and they were only $14.97, so I did purchase those. So what am I wearing for this little expedition today? So today, I am wearing my satin joggers that I got from Banana Republic Factory Outlet that Lori Lundquist recommended to me. I love these. They're cute. So they're just like an ivory satin jogger with the belt, and they were pretty inexpensive, and I highly doubt there's anything left. There's hardly anything left when I purchased them. I'm wearing it with my Sanctuary shoes, which I also got from Nordstrom. People also look at these shoes and go, oh, they look so uncomfortable. These are extremely comfortable shoes on me, all right? With it, I have paired, I'll take the jacket off just for a second and show you. It's a short sleeve blouse. Many of you might be familiar with it. It's been around the Stitch Fix inventory forever. It's a Daniel Rain Becru, B-E-C-R-U blouse. I was coveting this blouse forever, and I was so excited when I finally got it. And now it just sits in my closet because I no longer go to an office. But I decided to wear it with this. And over the top of it, I have this blank NYC faux suede moto jacket that I got from Anthropologie. Laura from Little Box of Happy got it first, and then when I looked over on Anthropologie, it was nice on sale, again under $50 a couple years ago when I got it, so I snagged it. I love this color. To me, this color, I call it sea glass. It's like a blue, gray, green, very pretty color, and it's like a color to break up the monochromatic outfit that I am wearing, and this is what I wore today when I went to Nordstrom Rack. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of style. Hi, everybody. It is Monday, and the day just ended for me. So what am I wearing today? So today I am wearing my black cut from the cloth coated denim, and they have the pork chop pockets in front. They got these cute little zippers here down at the bottom. They have pockets in the back. And yeah, I'm wearing this with my sleeveless sweater. I forget who this is by. I got it from, oh yes, I know who it's by. It's by French Connection. It comes in many different colors. This is a neutral beige color. I got it from a Trendsend probably last year. I have on my Kendra Scott dated pendant necklace. I'm okay with wearing things that are maybe not be trending and in style, but I like this necklace. And on it I have probably one of my favorite jackets, my black Sanctuary jacket. So it's out of a satin, and it's just so soft and comfy on the inside. So yeah, and my shoes, I am once again wearing the same shoes as yesterday. These are my Sanctuary shoes, and yeah, they're very comfortable. And I did have to run out to the doctor today, so I actually wore something and actually had to leave the house. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday and what I wore for the day. So today I am wearing a White House black market sweater, circa around 2020. I think I got this sweater. It is black with royal blue and a light blue and a white stripe through it, very fine stripes. It has the bell sleeves. It's quite tight around my arms, but it is that ribbed stretchy fabric. It's form-fitting, but not too tight around my stomach. And let's see, the jeans that I'm wearing with are currently my only pair of black jeans that I own. They're by Pistola. I got them from Stitch Fix probably about a year ago. And I have them paired, they're boot cut style, I have them paired with a pair of Vince Camuto little booties that I've also had for several years. I am in a market for another pair of black pants, but I don't think I want boot cut or flare, maybe a straight leg. I'm not quite sure what I want. Maybe something a little bit more faded, somewhere between a black and a gray. I haven't decided yet. So yeah, oh, my necklace is from White House Black Market. I think I purchased it about the same time I purchased this top. And my earrings I recently just got from Nordstrom Rack. And this is my outfit for today. All right, take care and see another day of styling outfits. Hi everybody, it is Saturday, and yes, you have missed several days. You missed me on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You may ask, what went on, Carolyn? Well, I had a sick little bunny rabbit. I had to rush him to the vet on Wednesday evening. He's had lots of blood work, x-rays. He was very ill. I nursed him, was feeding him every 2 hours via a syringe, and I think he is in the clear now. His blood work did not come back good. It indicates he has some liver damage, possibly liver disease, they're not sure. But he is eating once again and in good spirits, so we're gonna take it as we can. So the outfits that I had on also got poopied all over, and food and medicine all over them, so they were not good to show you anyway, and some of them I'm going to actually have to retire. I got one sweater I wore with him, he pulled with his claws, so yeah, it was a rough couple days, but I think he's on the mend. So what am I wearing and what am I doing tonight? Tonight I am hosting a dinner party at my house. I am wearing the brown pants from Loft with my black pumps from Stitch Fix with the Daniel Rain sweater that I got off of Freestyle on Stitch Fix. And this is my outfit for entertaining at home. While I was cooking all day, I just wore my bathrobe. So this is the back of it, and yeah. So I might do one video tomorrow to attach to this, so at least you get a couple different looks from me. All right, take care and see you another day of style. Hi everyone, it is Sunday and it was a lazy kind of day for me. So yesterday I did a ton load of cooking, had some friends over. In my previous day's video, I said I was dealing with a sick little bunny rabbit this whole week who kept me up all night. I had to go down and feed it with a syringe like every 2 hours so it wouldn't starve to death, dehydrate. So I was exhausted and I slept awful last night because I didn't get to bed my normal time. So for today, I'm home and I was doing my front door fashion video, but then I had to run out to return my front door fashion, so I threw this on. And then I remembered I really didn't show you too many outfits. I'm going to show you this outfit, but it's kind of like something I just threw together and not really something that I would normally put together and wear. So be kind, be generous. So I'm wearing the new tan jacket that I recently got. I wore it the other day and I styled it with a black turtleneck and I really liked it. But today I just threw it on basically to keep myself warm as I ran to return the box to FedEx. So underneath I have this sleeveless turtleneck that I got from Express about like a year and a half ago. When I think I got it when I went shopping with Laura from Little Box of Happy at King of Prussia. I like this sleeveless turtleneck. I haven't worn it for a while, so I thought, let me wear it. And I grabbed the closest jeans off of my jean stack, and that was my mother denim. So there was no rhyme or reason for this outfit. It was just like, let me wear this pink sweater because I haven't worn it in a while. Grab these jeans because they're closest, and I realized I needed a jacket because I'm going out. Oh, and it was just needed to be a quick run, so I threw on these loafers. And the only reason why I'm showing this outfit even to you is because I gypped you some other outfits this week and I wanted to add one here on the end. All right, everybody, take care and hopefully I'll have a better week next week for styling outfits. Until next time.